Welcome to our review of the 2025 Volkswagen T1, a refreshed model that combines performance, style, and practicality. Today we'll break down its power, performance, and new design elements, giving you a clear picture of what this SUV brings to the market. The 2025 T1 features a sleek and modernized design, with LED headlights, black roof rails, and a bold front grille. These elements, combined with alloy wheels and aerodynamic lines, enhance its presence on the road. Inside, the T1 offers comfort and advanced tech. A 15-inch infotainment screen and digital cockpit provide seamless control, while the spacious cabin and adjustable seating accommodate family needs. The interior materials are of high quality, offering a luxurious yet practical feel. Powered by either a 1.4 TSI or 2.0 TDI engine, the T1 delivers strong performance and fuel efficiency. With Volkswagen's IQ Drive features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance, it offers a comfortable and safe driving experience. In summary, the 2025 Volkswagen T1 is a well-rounded SUV that balances style, comfort, and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.